This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the physical and permission basics. This avoids chasing software ghosts. First, check the connector and any inline volume. Make sure the cable is fully seated. Once done, right-click the speaker icon, open sound recording, and set your microphone as the default device and default communications device. Then open Settings Privacy Microphone and make sure app access is enabled. These steps ensure Windows recognizes the mic before you change drivers or levels. Next, you tackle drivers and detailed audio settings because software often limits volume. Open Device Manager, find your microphone or audio interface, and choose Update Driver, or uninstall and reboot to force reinstall. Then go back to Sound Recording, open the mic properties, and on the Levels tab, raise the mic and microphone boost sliders carefully. Make sure enhancements are disabled to prevent automatic attenuation, and set the advanced sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz for best compatibility. To finish, validate the changes and isolate remaining problems. Run the Windows Recording Troubleshooter to apply automated fixes, then test with Voice Recorder or a simple Zoom test. Make sure the app you use has microphone permission under Settings Privacy, and restart that app after changes. If audio remains low, try a different port, a USB adapter, or another mic to rule out hardware failure. If nothing works, one key tip: swap to a known good headset to determine whether the issue is the mic or Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.